Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm in Valentine, Nebraska. Thanks for joining me. My wife and I spent Valentine's Day weekend here in Valentine, Nebraska. It's just your typical Midwestern small town, but it was a nice little weekend. Now we have 487 miles to go to get back home. We brought the SLK 230. Had a little trouble with the starter. I was able to tap it with a squeegee handle, and then it did engage. So hopefully we don't have any issues getting back home. I don't plan to turn it off. I'm going to have to gas up with the car running, so it's just what I got to do. And then I had to replace a headlight on it as well while we were here. So hopefully this trip goes how it should and we don't have any issues. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm at the gas station, going to fill her up and then keep it running, and then we're going to head out of here. All right, so we are in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Got to fill the car up with gas. We're getting pretty close to empty here, and then going to go inside and probably grab some food, something to drink, just to get us through. Have one more fuel stop that we'll have to make in Minnesota, and I think we're a couple hours away from home. So I'm going to go ahead and get this done and get back on the road. Alright, so as you can see, we did make it home okay. I was just a little worried about getting here. Friday night we stopped at a gas station somewhere in the middle of South Dakota and turned the car off and it wouldn't start. Everything would light up, but no crank. And so I had to use the handle of a squeegee to tap the starter a few times, and then it did fire up, and so we did go all the way out to Valentine. Luckily, our hotel was close enough where we were able to walk to the places that we wanted to go, able to get food, things like that. And then this morning, cross our fingers to start it, and it did start up. I mean, otherwise I could have tried tapping on that starter again to see if that worked. But like I said, it started. We just left it running. So when we'd stop for gas, we just let it run while we pumped the gas, and just kept it going all day. So 8 hours of driving. It's good to be home. Don't have to worry. I turned the car off now, so it's in the garage. I'm going to look up the starter, get that ordered, and as soon as that comes in, that'll be my next project on this car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.